everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to create your awesome logo on Recraft AI. So guys, you have this option, as you can see here, image and frame and mockup. And after logging your account, click this option, image, and click here this icon, and you find different logos and option. You have vector art and you have Recraft illustration. Click this, for example, guys, and write here your description for your logo. For example, in red black cat, for example, guys, and write black cat. And from here, what you have to do, you have this resolution for image, and from here you have the size of image, as you can see here on the screen, and click Recraft from here and wait to generate your logo. As you can see here, guys, wait just 1 minute. As you can see here, guys, just wait. As you can see here, guys, this is the logo. It's a awesome logo and great logo, as you can see here, with its amazing tool, guys, as you can see here. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.